I've seen a lot of things in the head, and most of them things ain't good. Cause see, it's hard to make your way out, cause only a few are chosen. But all these leads leading us to liberty. Can we depend on the King's delivery? Yo, I'm a leader, I am not a celebrity, and many men depend on me. Now we definitely fresh out the block, ay, and all my sneakers are fresh out the box, and all my niggas are fresh out the block, ay, and all my ladies are not by the corners at night anymore, cause they fresh out the block, yeah, and all my sneakers are fresh out the box, and all my niggas are fresh out the block, and all my ladies are not by the corners at night anymore, cause they fresh out the block.
So I'm black, cause I used to hit the block. Now 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock, penekan, tingon telakan. Remesa kona niko sella plant. She to know she good, living in the hood. My outer very rude, now what cherry by my mood. No umbrella, ella, marambura ikusud. Fisher teacher fast, odo tikukuda. No millimeter, front lines niggas. Plum I'm Zanzi, I know real niggas. It ain't good where I'm from, so I'm a mover Caesar. I'm sure the year's coming, by a Caesar. I ride in Kota Casilanga, Songo Paisa. Babu Tibango, Hobaso Bako Raisa. Try fit my shoes, Shinga Nilingana. I'm fresh at the pump, fully
Cheke atibinga titete no the way on bonendi chifara tekisi chichuje shandu tena nkujibona ati ufini tenda nga uone now. Okay, they say what you see is what you get, but you ain't never gonna understand my tip, my peak, I am Mount Everest and the rest. Yes, man, I'm blessed in this, that, rest and fest and future frontline records. Yes sir. Yo, my getter got music for decades, you heard? That's why I make moves for my comrades, breaking the moves for my homies. This thing is so huge, it's atomic. From shacks to mansions, rags to riches, who would've thought of it? We own this business, better believe that we be off the street.
we be fresh out the block,
and all my sneakers are
fresh out the box,
and all